So let's move on to class. Come to here. Can you see my screen? Is it visible? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move on to class. So last class we had discussed about what is Linux. That is nothing but what is Ubuntu, and so what are the features, and so the main thing. So what is the so Ubuntu architecture or Linux architecture? Both are same only, and so the what are the main components? In interview purpose also many people ask this question. Right? So hardware components and kernel. Next, so hardware components, kernel. Next, shell.
Shell,
Next, application.
applications, and
Next, user
users.
interface. User interface. Okay. So last class already we seen orally how it will work, and today we'll see practically and few commands as well also. Okay. Let me start here. So anyone any doubt yesterday class? So what is Linux and what are the features of Linux and what is the main purpose? Same like Windows. This is also one operating system, and this is also one operating system. And Windows compared to Windows, right? Both are supporting a GUI as well as CLI. And so these are the some of the features, and these are the main flavors of Linux or Unix. Okay. Now this is the main components of Linux. So hardware components, kernel, shell, application, and user interface. And also last class already we discussed, right? So shell is nothing but this is the right mediator between your user and your kernel. And if we send any, if we execute any command, so see here, so everything is proper. The shall interrupt our command. It will go to into kernel. It is understandable, and it's in the form of. So once it is everything clear, there is no error. No, if everything working fine, then it will execute that particular command and will get output also. So this is the main. So kernel is the main role in our Linux, and the kernel is the main role in our Linux. This is nothing but core components operating system, and it is responsible for executing your commands. So whichever we are executing, so that commands are taken care by only kernel only, and it is responsible to interact with the hardware components. So directly we cannot interact with the hardware. So these are the layers. So the user send any one command, executed one command. So that shell, the mediator. Now that command go to kernel. So if everything working, and so the kernel is so contact interact with the hardware devices. This all. And so last class already we seen, right? And today we'll see so how to work, how to connect a Linux machine. So for the time being, so we'll so multiple ways we can connect a Linux machine for practice purpose and all. And going forward, so mostly we are using AWS Linux machine. So mostly we are using AWS Linux machine. So let me. This is also for practical. So here for testing purpose we can use so this URL. So labs hyphen play hyphen with hyphen k8s. So this is also. But I hope everyone have so GitHub account, right? Just select the GitHub account, select the GitHub account and play with the Kubernetes. Actually, this is main for Kubernetes only. But anyway, Linux commands and all everything it is working here. So we can happily work with here also. So here no need to pay anything. Now see here. So once you start the session default 4 hours. So the session 4 hours. After 4 hours, automatically session will expire. So anyway, for practice purpose, we can use this one. No need to pay anything. No need to do anything. Simply, this is the URL. So this is the URL. So what is the URL? Just I am pinging chat box. Just a copy somewhere. Keep it. So daily we are using same command only. Okay. So this is labs dot play hyphen with hyphen k8s. Now this is the screen, guys. So now this is a 4 hour session. This is the 4 hour session, and after 4 hours automatically the session will expire. No problem. So we can create multiple times. No problem. And here we can see, right, there is a add new instances. Now I need one instance of Linux instance. I need one Linux instance. So we can create multiple instance also. Just click on the plus there, add new instance. So add a new instance, add new instance. Just I'm clicking add new instance. Now observe here. So now I'm clicking add new instance. So now it is creating. Now it is creating. Once instance is created, now we can work with your Linux machine is ready. So here no need to do anything. This is a portable. This is a portable. There is multiple ways. So there is multiple ways. So there is multiple ways we can right, practice. We can connect to our Linux machine, and this is one way. This is the one way. So first time, right, this is based on your internet speed, and based on your internet speed, and so it will work. Just wait 1 or 2 minutes. So it will create one instance. It will create one instance. So now it is taking long time. Immediately it will come. Sometimes it will taking more time also. First let me log into my account, GitHub. So GitHub slash, already I logged in. This is my account only. Let me check it, login. Now start session. Now now add instance. Now see here, your instance is ready. That's it. No need to do anything. So this is actually, this is the main for Kubernetes only. So this is main for Kubernetes only. For practice purpose and all, we can use so directly this one. We can use directly this one. So now see here, it is giving some commands and all. Initialize the cluster master node and all. So these all commands related to Kubernetes only. So right now we don't know, right, Kubernetes and all. Just leave it. So now, and so if you want to full screen, Alt enter. If you want to full screen, Alt enter. If you want to full screen, Alt enter. If you want to small screen, again same command only, Alt enter. So in keyboard just press Alt enter. And if you want to clear the screen, what is the screen? CLS. Now if you want to increase the font, Control plus plus. If you want to increase the font and all, so Control plus plus. That's it. So Control plus. So that's it. Now we can see screen, right? Is it clear, or I can increase
Yes,
size?
sir.
Okay. So now today we'll see, this is the Linux, guys. This is the Linux. There is multiple ways we can set up Linux machine or Unix machine. And so for the time being, this is a very simplest way to practice purpose. No need to pay anything, and no need to do anything. This is the portable. So 4 hours. Once you start the session, so after 4 hours, automatically your session will expire. Again, we can click same steps only. Okay. Now, now, so this is the command line. This is the which mode? GUI mode or CLI mode? Now, anyone guess it? Now, this
CLI
is
mode.
the
CLI mode.
CLI, command line interface, like Git Bash, right? Everyone we are using Git Bash. How we are working with Git Bash? Everything we are entering via commands only. Same way. Suppose here I typed something. Here I typed something. So now see here, just I typed something. I want to clear the screen. I want to clear the screen. These are the basic commands, guys. So these are the basic commands. Try to understand. If you have any doubt, so please ask me. Okay. Now, if you want to clear the screen, this is the clear command. Clear. Clear means it will clear the only screen only. Clean only. In if you come to Windows, right? So already last class also I shown. If you go to Windows or CMD, and this is also Windows CLI. Windows CLI. Now, if you want to see all files and directories, so we are using dir command. Dir means it display all files and all. If you want to clear the screen here, this is the command CLS, Windows CLS. But in Linux, clear, full command clear. In full command clear only. Full command clear only. So now this is the clear. Clear means it will clear the screen. That's it. Now PWD, there is a one command is there. Now I want to check currently what is my path. What is my path? So if you want to check, there is one command PWD, present working directory. PWD is nothing but present working directory. So what is the full form? present working directory. Now I am in which directory? Root directory. Now I am in which directory? Root directory. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? For example, in Windows, this is I am clicking here, right? So what is the path here? Present working directory. So desktop. Here we can see C colon users HP desktop PM, right? This is the folder, correct? Now this is the
Yes, sir.
full path. And same way, if you want to check in Linux machine, so this is the command. So what is the command? So what is the command here? Linux pwd. Pwd is nothing but present working directory. Okay. Now I want to create one file. I hope everyone know how to create one empty file. In Git bash also, sir, many times he explained, right? What is the command? I want to create a new file, empty file. What is the command? In Git,
Git init.
what is the
Git
command?
init, right?
No, no, no. I
Okay.
don't want to create any repository. Just I want to create one empty file. Sir already explained many
File
times,
empty.
right? What is the
Text
command?
file.
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Touch.
Touch.
Touch space. We can use a file name. For example, I want to create one file, devaps.txt. Touch is nothing but actually Linux command. But so we need to use in a Git bash also for creating empty files and all. Now see here. So touch is nothing but it will create one empty file. Before creating file, I want to check all files and directories, my current working directory. So what is my current working directory? If you want to check it, pwd, present working directory. See here, now I am in root directory. Now, if you want to check all files and directories, how many files, how many directories in root. So this is the command ls. Already in Git also we use it many times, right? Ls. What is the ls?
Yes, sir.
It will display all files
List
and
of
directories. All files and directories. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here? ls command and pwd. Present working directory. PWD is nothing but present working directory. LS is nothing but it display all files and directories. All files and directories. Now I want to create. Now I want to create one empty file. So now tell me. So what is the command? Touch space. Now devaps.txt. Do we have any file as of now? No, right?
no, sir.
No. Next I am giving a touch space
No, sir.
devaps.txt. Now, so file is created. There is no error message means a file is created. Okay. Now how to check it? What is the command? I want to see all files. What is the command?
LL.
ls or ll. Long list. ll means
LS.
long list.
LL.
Or we can
LL.
use ls. Long list. ll means long list. Anyway, we'll see all command, all options and all. ll means long list. Now, if I use ls, so now you can understand, right? What is difference between ls and ll? Long means long list means now see here it will display so permissions that is right so that access modes and username and group name and what is the size and date and time and we can see file name. Simply if you want to see only files ls, that's it. Now got it?
Yes.
Now here we can see column wise. So this is the one column, this is the user column, this
Yes,
is
sir.
the group column, this is size, this is date and time, and this is the file column. Okay. Simply if you want to check, so ls, that's it. Now we know, so three commands, pwd, present working directory. Okay. Now I am in root directory. If you want to clear the screen, clear command, clear clear command. Now, if you want to check all files, ls command. Now, if you want to create any file, so TOU says touch space. Now, I want to create multiple files, guys. Now, as of now, I created only one file. No, no, sir, I want to create multiple files. How to create multiple files at a time? So, that case we can use touch space. Now, I can use see here, for example, file1.txt and so like this we can also pass. There is multiple ways we can do it. So this is very simple. Now see here file3.txt. Now how many files it will create now? Only one
Three
file or
files.
three files?
Three files,
Three
sir.
files. Now check it. Three files. Now I want to check list. What is the command? ls. Now see here file1, file2. What is file2? Both are same given, right? It is override. Actually I am now I want to create So I given same name, right? That is right. It is overwrite. Now file 3, now file 4 and file 5. File 4 and also file 5. Now see here ls. Ls means list of files. Now see here file 1 already is there, file 2 already is there, file 3, file 4, file 5. Now got it? Now this is a file. Now suppose if you want to create multiple files at a time, this is one way. So for example, sir, I want to create 10 files. So how to create 10 files? So already I will share this document. So in this document already many, right. So these are the basic commands we can easily understand. Okay. So let me go to directly touch touch command. Go to this touch command. Now we can find how many ways. Suppose if you want to create so multiple ways, and so I can see here now. So they want to create what this touch space, they given some name touch space. This is the directory. So if you want to, we can also we can use. So just check this file. So there is everything noted here, and orally I am explaining, so we can easily understand. Okay. Now we want to create how many files? 10 files at a time. Now see here, make directory dir. So this is directory. So you want to file, right? So how to create files? So this is the syntax. Now go to here. Where is touch? They given touch directory, touch command. Okay. So now see here. Mm, mm, mm. Where is the cat command? We'll see later. We need a touch command. This is a touch space, only one file, and so here we can check it. Just a search and we check it. Anyway, directly come to here. Now how to create multiple files at a time with the help of touch command. Touch space. Anyone?
File, open bracket,
File or for example dev. Okay. Which bracket? Flower bracket or
flower bracket.
okay. Next.
Uh,
I want to
here
create 10
one
files at a time. This is a very simple
uh,
command only. One. Next.
dot.
Dot. Next.
Uh, we need 10, right? So 10, sir.
Okay. Now check it. Now I want to check it. So now see here. Already these all commands already we note here available. Just so you can refer it. Okay. Now see here. So mostly we are creating one or two files only. Some case if you want to create multiple files. So this is the command. Touch space. So that touch space, and this is the name. So what is the file name? I given here a file name is dev, and so next 1 to 10. Now see here dev 1, dev 2, ll. Now we can check it. Now see here dev 1, dev 2. This is array like size. So dev 2, dev 3, dev 4, dev 5, dev 6, dev 7, dev 8, 9, 10 files created. So now file is created. Okay. Now I don't want this file. So how to remove file? I want to remove the file. Already in Git also sir explained, right? So I
Yes,
want to
sir.
remove the
Git
file.
RM.
Git,
Git
not
RM.
Git RM. Here
With
directly
RM.
RM. RM
RM,
space.
RM. Okay.
That is Git, right? Here we are not using any Git and all. So now ls. Now I want to remove the one file. Just assume I want to remove this file. So what is the command? RM
RM.
space file name. What is the file name? This is the syntax
Dev.
actually. File name. So
Dev.
file name, rm space file name. Now what is my file name? For example, I want to review file1.txt, file1.txt, file1.txt. Now see here it is asking, see, remove the regular empty file, yes or no. So if you give y means it will remove the file. Suppose if you give no means it won't. Now check it. Now file 1 is deleted or not?
Yes, del-
No sir, I don't want to ask any prompt yes or no. So directly I want to remove forcefully. Now what is the command? forcefully. ls. Now I want to remove. So rm space I want to remove forceful. I don't want to any prompt, yes or no. Directly I want to delete it. That's it. Now what is the command? Rm space file name txt. Now understand, right? What is difference between if I am not mentioning hyphen f. Here hyphen f means forcefully. Hey, don't ask any prompt again. So directly remove it. That's it. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here? Now we clear, both are same only. Now just I created one file, right? ls. So now rm space I am giving file name file3 dot txt. Now it is asking one prompt, remove regular empty file. Really you want to remove, yes or no? I want to remove it. Just I press y. Okay, file is removed. See here ls file3.txt. Sir, I don't want to ask again prompt whether you want to remove or not. Directly I want to remove forcefully. That is, we need to add one more arguments, rm space hyphen f file name. What is the file name? For example, file5.txt. Now got it? Now it won't ask any prompt. Directly it will remove. What, Shivaji? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Now this is now I want to add some content to file. So if you want to add any content to file, what is the command? Already git many times we use,
Git
right?
add dot.
Don't use git, just
Okay, add dot.
or directly I am using one
Add.
command. Add. Add. Tell me anyone. Whatever we are saying, the same thing I am typing here. Tell me. I want to add some
Space
content to file or a
add
new
space
file.
file
Add.
space.
Touch space. Okay. Next.
Yeah, dot txt.
File name. File name is, for example, here we are using Linux, right? So Linux, so okay, so l1 dot txt. What it will create? An empty file it will create. I want to add some content. Now got it? Content means, so if you see, if you want to see any content in the file, what is the command? I want to see some content. In git already we use, right? I want to check what is the data
Cat,
in
sir.
the file. Cat space, for example, so devapps dot txt. Do we have any data here?
No dot.
No data. Now I want to add
No,
some
sir.
I want to add something. What is the command?
Cat greater than
Cat greater than
file names.
File name, sir.
devapps. Is it working or not?
DevOps.
It's
Hmm.
working.
Okay, na. Hmm.
Welcome to DevOps.
Welcome to. Just I'm giving some content. Now how to save?
Control D.
Hmm. Now how to check it data? I want to see content. Cat space
L.
devapps dot txt. Already in git SAR used many times, right? So this is a one way. This is a one way. But if you want to add many lines, or if you want to update existing content and all, so that is different command we are using. So for testing purpose, anyway we are in initial stage, right? I want to add some content. So that case we can use so this one. Actually there is two is there, greater than and only greater than. We will see later. Okay. So now I added something. Now same dev rm space hyphen f, so devapps.txt, sorry, rm space dev ops.txt. File is not there, already available, right? Okay. Now a manual I am typing. So ls and rm space -f dev apps dot txt. Okay. Now ls. Now see here, file is available or deleted. File was deleted. So now anyone any doubt as of now? Now what are the commands you know? So these all are very very basic commands, very simple commands only. Just slowly we will learn. So daily few commands. So now you know, right? So if you want to clear the screen, so if you want to clear the screen, what is the command? Clear command. And so if you want to check the directory, current working directory, that is present pwd. What is pwd? Present
Present working directory.
working directory. Now I want to check the files and all. I hope everyone know ls, or we can use ll also. Okay, list of files. List of files. Simply I'm writing a list of files and directories. Okay. Now, so I want to create one empty file. What is the command? Touch.
Touch.
Okay, it will create empty file. Empty file. Okay. Now, if you want to remove the file, what is the command? Remove the file. rm. rm is
RM.
RM. Remove.
remove. Remove. Suppose if you want to remove forcefully, rm space -f. What is the -f?
Forcefully.
Force.
Forcefully.
Forcefully. Okay. So now you know what is pwd, you know what is ls, you know what is touch command rm. Now I want to create so one directory. Now directory means if you come to windows, if you come to windows, so this is a folder, right? So if this is a folder, suppose I am going to create one folder. Now see here, new, just create one folder. Just I am giving so test folder. Now this is a folder. So inside folder we can add many things, right? If you want to, we can create file, or if you want to, we can add something. For example, I created one text file. I created one text file. Suppose if I want to, we can create one more folder also. This is nothing but subfolder. So this is nothing but so test one. This is nothing but test one. This is nothing but test one. Test one is nothing but, so this is so what is folder? Folder means we can store many files or many directories. That is nothing but many folders or subfolders. And if you want to, we can add many files also. Now same way, if you want to create in linux, if you want to create linux, now if you use here ls, so as of now these all are the files only. These all are the files only. Sir, how I know these all are files? How I know directories? So just use LL. LL means now we can see, right? This is the first character. Here you see first character here hyphen is there, right? Hyphen means here there is empty. Empty means these all are regular files only. These all are files only. Now we don't have any directories. Now I want to create one directory. Now I want to create one directory. What is directory? Directory means we can store multiple files, or if you want to create a subdirectories also, we can create. That is based on your requirements, depends on your requirement. Now how to create directory? So this is the command. So this is the command. Let's clear the screen. LL. Now I want to create. So now I want to create one directory. So how to create directory? This is the syntax, guys. mkdir, mk, mkdir, and directory name.
Making
Directory
directory.
name, we can give any name, that is up to you only. So just give. So now I want to create one directory. So how to create directory? Now see here, mkdir. Now I'm giving a devaps. Devaps is the directory name. Now see here, directory was created. Directory was created. Now how to check it, whether it is directory, whether it is file? Just use ll. Now see here, now see here, these all are first see here, hyphen is there, right? Dash, that is nothing but dash hyphen, right? So if nothing is there means that is the file only. Now if you see this one, color also changed, and also see here d. What is d represents?
Directory.
Directory. D represents directory. Now these all are the files, regular files. Here nothing is there means this is only file. And also L, some case we can see L also, link files. L also we can see link files also. Anyway, we'll see later all these things. Now you know got it, right? This is the file or directory. This is the directory. So directory. Now, how to go to this directory? Now I want to create one file inside the directory. I want to create one file inside the directory. Same like this. Now see here, Windows, I created one folder, test folder. Inside this test folder, I want to create one file. Let me rename this. Now see here, for example, test. Okay, test underscore test I given or DevOps. This is my file name. So this is the folder. Test is the root folder. Under this folder, I created one file. Okay. Now same way I want to create one file here also. Now this is the directory, right? This is the directory. Now see here, color also changed. Now you can easily identify. Now how to go to this directory? This is the command. cd 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 space cd nothing but change directory. So
Change
what is
directory.
cd? Change directory. cd nothing but change directory. cd nothing but change directory. Now I want to go to this directory. So how to go to this directory? cd space and directory name. Which directory you want to enter? DevOps. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Now enter. Now check it here. Now I want to check the path. Now right now I am in which path? PWD. So earlier we are in root directory, right? Now we are in which directory? So now we are in which directory? Which directory? Root slash DevOps. Now I am in DevOps directory. Now I am in DevOps directory. Okay. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now I want to create one more subdirectory. Now coming to here subfolder I created, right? Here I created subfolder test one. Same way I want to create a subdirectory. That is nothing but so where is this? Here on, right? Okay. Now if you want to create now see here mkdir mkdir. For example, I am giving a DevOps 1. So this is the root directory. This is the root directory. This is the subdirectory. What is this meaning? So first I created DevOps directory. Under the DevOps, I created one more directory. This is the subdirectory. What is this? Subdirectory. Now got it, guys? This is a subdirectory. Now
Yes,
see
sir.
here. Now check it. Now if I use ls command, I can see all these files or I can see only one file, one directory. Anyone guess it? Now I am in root slash DevOps. Now I am in under the DevOps directory. Now if I use ls means now I can see these all files are particularly inside this directory. What are the files available?
Yes, sir. Particularly
Only
DevOps.
yes DevOps. Now see here we can see only under this directory files and directories. Now I want to create one more file here. Now see here how to create file touch space. Now I'm giving so test1 test.txt file is created. Now check it ll. So ll is nothing but list of files. See this is the directory. This is nothing but subdirectory and this is the one file. Now I want to come outside the directory. Now I am in which directory? DevOps directory. I want to come outside the directory. So how to come outside the directory? Right now I am in only DevOps directory. Now I want to come outside. So this is very simple command only cd only. For go to the directory we are using cd only. If you want to come out the directory, so this is the command cd dot dot only single directory. So cd space dot dot. So come out the directory. That is nothing but we are coming out to that particular directory. Now see here cd space dot dot cd space dot dot. Now see here prompt also just observe here. Now I am in DevOps directory. Now I am speedy space dot dot. Now see here I am in which directory? Now check it pwd. Now got it. So here I am in DevOps directory, correct? If you want to come outside the directory, what is the command? cd space dot dot. What is the command? cd space dot dot. Now got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Suppose again I want to log into that directory. Now see here, I come out that directory. Again, I want to log into that directory. So how to go to this directory? Tell me. cd space directory name. Okay. cd space directory name. Now, if you want to check it, we can check it. Anyone, any doubt here? How to create directory and how to log into that particular directory? How to go to that particular directory? Clear? Now, if we come to here, so mkdir. So mkdir means so
Making directory.
mkdir making directory. So mkdir means create a directory. Mkdir means create directory. Now, if you want to create any one directory, simply mkdir space directory name. So they given multiple ways. Suppose we want to multiple directories. So how to create multiple directories? Same command only. You know, right? How to create multiple files. Now, so tell me anyone. See here mkdir. I want to create multiple directories. DevOps 1 and so DevOps 2 and space so DevOps 3. How many directories it will create? 3 directories. Very simple. Just now we seen, right? We created multiple files, right? File 1, file 2, file 3 like that. That is touch. Now I want to create a directories. So now here how many directories it will create? 3
3.
directories. Now see here. Now so there is a one DevOps 1 already existing. Just rename it. I want to DevOps 4. 4, 2, 3. That's it. Now see here. Why? 2 already is there. Is there or not? Already created. Okay, already first time it is created. So that is the reason it is creating. Now see here how many directories. First time I executed this one, right? So there itself it is created to direct the DevOps 2 and DevOps 3. Again I am using same command, right? So that is the reason it is showing so existing. Okay. Now let me create. So see here. So dev1 or I'm using dev1, right? I don't have anything. Dev1 and so dev2 and so dev3. Now we don't have any error. Already I don't have anything dev4. Now see here. So 4 directories was created. Now check it. Now ls. Now see here. Dev1, dev2, dev3, dev4. Now got it, guys. Now I want to remove the directory. So how to remove the directory? You know, right? How to remove the file. Now I want to
Yes,
remove
sir.
the
RM.
directory. rm
RM.
space. Now I'm using a dev1. Dev1. That is right. You are saying
Yes, sir.
correct.
Correct.
Hmm. So we cannot remove the dev1. It is a directory. So this is the directory, right? So it is saying clear error message. Hey, this is the directory. This is not a file. So this is the directory. We cannot. So directly with the help of
We
RM, we
cannot
cannot
remove.
remove. We cannot remove dev1. This is directory. Now I want to remove the directory. How to remove directory? Tell me. I want to remove anyone old students. RM space. Hmm. Now I'm, you know, right, F also. Now I'm trying F also. Now check it whether it will work or not. Now see here. So we cannot remove dev1. It is a directory. Now I want to remove the directory. Anyone? Now see here. RM space hyphen R I am using. Here R is nothing but recursively. Whether we can use small r or capital R. So anyway, mostly I am using capital R. So R is nothing but recursively. Capital R is nothing but recursively. And the directory name. What is the directory name? Dev1. Now it is asking like, so remove the directory dev1. Do you want to really remove or not? If I give yes means what will happening? It will remove.
Yes.
Now see here, take it, ls. Now one is removed or not? Sir, I don't want to ask this
Remove.
prompt again. I don't want to ask every time this prompt. So that time what you need to do is, now tell me, rm space hyphen r
F.
and also f. F is nothing but forcefully. Have to. Now got it? Clear, guys? Here what
Yes.
is hyphen r? Recursively.
Recurse.
And
Recursive.
what is f means? Forcefully.
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 Don't ask any prompt again. Just directly remove it. That's it. Now check it. Now see here. 2 was removed. Okay. Now same thing. We can remaining story same only. Now already where is this DevOps? Somewhere I create subdirectory also. cd space. Now I am in so DevOps ls. Okay. pwd. Now I am in DevOps directory, root directory. Let me come outside. cd space dot dot. Now ls. Now observe here. Now this is the DevOps. Inside DevOps, I have many subdirectories and I have file also. Now I'm trying to remove this directory. Now try it. See here, rm space rf or recursively and f forcefully and directory name. So is it working or not? Anyone guess it? So earlier those all are empty directories, right? Directly we can delete it. Now if you see observe here, inside this directory I have many subdirectories and I have file also. Now I am trying to remove this directory. Is it working or not?
Not working.
Working or not working?
Working, sir.
Now see here, check it. ls. Now see here. Why it is deleting means now I given recursively. What is recursively means? Hey, this is the directory. Okay. So inside directory, if we have any directories, subdirectories, or if we have any files, so just remove all recursively. Recursively means all. Whatever files we have in that directory, just remove all. That's it. Now got it, guys? So recursively means so if you want to remove, so we can remove the recursively all subdirectories as well as files as well also. Now suppose if you want to create multiple directories at a time, so same command we can use mkdir and directory, and we can use so same syntax only. Same syntax only. Remaining story same only. Just practice it. Just practice it. Now you know, right, how to create directory and how to remove directory. So now how to create directory? mkdir, mk, mkdir and directory name. Clear? Suppose you want to remove the directory. What is the command? mkdir. I want to remove the directory. Hyphen
RM.
r. What is r means? Recursively.
Recursively.
And if you want to forcefully, hyphen f and directory name. Directory name. That's it. Directory name. Suppose if you want to create multiple directories, this is same command only. Directory, for example, so DevOps, and so if you want to multiple directories, so I want to give naming convention like so 2 dot dot I want to 6. So if you give this command, how many files it will create? How many directories, not files? How many directories it will create? Shift insert. Where is insert? Okay, let me try it. mk mkdir mkdir and so what is I given? So dev apps. Okay, flower bracket. I want to 5 dot dot sorry 5 dot dot and up to 10. Now see here naming convention already 5 is there. 5 not there, right? That is dev. This is dev apps. Now check it. How many files is created? 5, 6, 7,
Six.
8, 9, 10. ls.
6 files.
6 files. See here. Dev apps 5, dev apps 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So everything already available here. Just we need to practice. we need to practice. Now there is a create multiple directories. Next, create directory 3, but make sure that directory and directory 2 should be available already. So now here they are using so directory path mkdir and directory 1 slash directory 2 slash directory 3. Now if you use means, so before creating directory 3, make sure that so directory 2 is available or not. And before creating directory 2, make sure that directory 1 is available or not. So to overcome this problem, that simply we can use -p. -p is nothing but path of the directory. So path of the directory. Now see here, I am using same command. So don't confuse here. This is very simple only. Now I want to create, see here, mkdir. I am using so f1 slash f2 slash f3. I am giving f3. Now if you use this, now we are getting one error message. See here, cannot create directory f1, f2, f3, no such file or directory. Now check it, really it is created or not. Now see here, did I create any directory here? No. So before giving this path this way, what it will check? It is checking like path. Hey, where is f1 and where is f2 and next f3, right? So now even that file is, that directory is not available. I want to create. So that case what you need to do? So hyphen p. What is hyphen p? What is hyphen p? Hyphen p is nothing but path of directories. Now I mentioned, hey, same same path. Just create all these things. That's it. Now check it. See here, mkdir space hyphen p and f1 slash f2. These are the directory names. Okay. Now it was created. Now check it. How it was it created. Now see here, f1 was created. Now go to the directory, cd space. How to log in? F1. Sorry. cd space f1. Now ls. Now already f2 is there. cd space f2. Now see here ls. Now we can see f3. cd space f3. These all are files or directories. Now we don't have anything. Now if you check it pwd. Now check the path and all. So under the root, f1 is the root directory, f2 is the subdirectory, f3 is the subdirectory. In f2, f3 is the subdirectory. Now got it, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So inside directory, I want to create one more subdirectory. That's it. So that case we can use hyphen p. Hyphen p is nothing but path of directory. So if you mention p means a, first this is the one directory. Inside directory same path we can create one more subdirectory, and inside the same path we can create one more subdirectory. That's it. Now clear? Anyone any doubt, guys, here? So how it will work? Clear or not? Let me create one more. Now got it, right? So cd dot cd dot. So I given 3 times. Or if you don't want to give 3 times, simply we can use cd. There is one more command is there, we can use it. Now see here ls. Now I want to create so this is the structure. First I want to create one main directory. I want to create one main directory. Inside directory I want to create a subdirectory. Inside this directory I want to create one more subdirectory. That's it. Now see here. So if you see here, just assume. So this is the, I want to create so Linux or L1. Okay. So this is the main directory. So now I want to create one more subdirectory, L2. And so I want to create one more subdirectory. In L2, I want to create one more subdirectory. That directory name is L3. Now clear? Anyone any doubt here? So this is the main directory. Now what is the command if you want to create like this? This is the command mkdir hyphen p. Now which is the main directory? Now here I given, right? Which is the main directory? Same. Which one you want to main directory? We can give any name, guys. That is up to you. That is up to you. Here I want to main directory L1. Inside this I want to create L2 subdirectory. Inside this I want to create one more directory L3. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Same thing. Let me execute here. Now see here, I don't have any L1. So mkdir hyphen p, and so what is this? I want to main directory L1 and subdirectory L2, and inside L2 I want one more directory L3, and if you want we can add many things. Now got it, right? Now let me execute it. That's it. Now check it. Now ls. Now cd space L1. Now check it, really it is available or not. See here, L2 is available. cd space L2 and ls, and L3 is available. cd space L3. Now clear? Clear, Shravani?
Yes.
Okay, so these all are the basic commands only. Just try to practice it. So this is the command mkdir hyphen p, path of directory. So directory, this is the root directory. This is the root var slash next subdirectory slash again subdirectory. Like this, we can create so many directories. This is to whatever you want. This is naming convention up to you only. So up to you only. Now this is the syntax. This is the syntax. So clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? Now we know. So let me reiterate. So I hope you know, right? Clear the screen. PWD present working directory. LS means list of files. It will display all files and directories. And touch means creating an empty file. If you want to remove the file, RM. Or if you want to remove forcefully, RM space hyphen F. Now if you want to create directory, mkdir, this is the command, and directory name we can give any name, and if you want to go to that particular directory, cd space directory name, cd space directory name. If you want to come outside the directory, cd dot dot, and so now if you want to remove the directory, mkdir space hyphen r recursively, f means forcefully, and so if you want to create multiple directories, same command only, and if you want to create subdirectories as well also. So this is the syntax, mkdir hyphen p, and so root directory, subdirectory, like, and we can add many directories. Now clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, so that's it from my side, and please try to practice. Without practice we can't get clarity. Okay,